Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a groundbreaking development in Indian Railways, the Kavach system. Due to a series of recent train accidents, including the tragic collision in Odisha on June 2 this year, there has been an urgent need to enhance train safety across the country. The Kavach system is set to revolutionize this aspect. Let's explore how it works and why it's so important. So, what is the Kavach system? Kavach is an indigenous automatic train protection system designed to prevent train collisions, developed by the Research and Design Standard Organization (RDSO) under the Ministry of Railways. It started as the Train Collision Awareness System project in 2012, but by 2022, the development and testing were complete, and it's now being rolled out across India. This Kavach system is expected to be fully operational by 2024, and it's only 50 lakh rupees per kilometer, making it the world's most economical ATP system. And talking about its current implementation, so it is active at 135 railway stations and in 77 locomotives within the South Central Railway Zone. And the plans are in place to expand it nationwide. So talking about how does it work, the Kavach system uses radio frequency identification RFID tags which are installed on locomotives and railway tracks every kilometer. Here's a step by step on how it functions. So let me first tell you that what are RFID tags. These tags continuously monitor the train's movement. Signals passed at danger SPAD. If a train driver misses a stop signal, Kavach sends an immediate alert. Now talking about more silent features of the system is that automatic braking. If a potential collision is detected, the system can take control and apply the brakes to prevent an accident. Now talking about its recent developments, what developments have been taken about this system. So following the tragic train collision in Odisha on June 2 this year, which claimed over 300 lives, Indian Railways has accelerated the implementation of Kavach. The goal is to prevent such accidents in future. Upcoming deployment includes major routes like the Howrah-Delhi main line and the Delhi-Mumbai main line. Now talking about its significance, the Kavach system is crucial for several reasons. First is safety. It significantly reduces the risk of collision, protecting passengers and infrastructure. And by automating responses to potential hazards, it ensures swift and effective action. And the system is particularly useful in foggy or poor visibility conditions where manual signaling might fail. Now, talking about the parts in India where Kavach is in action. So on March 4, 2022, a successful live trial was conducted in Sikandrabad Railway Division. During the test, two trains approached each other on the same track but avoided collision thanks to Kavach. Now if we talk about the future of this system, so the technology is set to cover the 34,000 kilometer golden quadrilateral railway network and more, aiming for full deployment by 2024. Now coming towards the conclusion of this video, the Kavach system represents a monumental step forward in train safety for India. It's an impressive example of homegrown technology making a real difference. So thanks for tuning in. If you found this video informative, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more updates on innovations that shape our world. See you next time.